Today we're on the ground, there's noise. We're at Anfray Go Industry, partners of Normandy Ecospace. We are going to talk about cutting. Cutting is a simple and extremely efficient industrial process. It allows you to obtain a part with the expected shape from a sheet. This sheet can exist in different materials and can be worked by industrial tools to obtain this result. What are we talking about exactly? It is an industrial technique that allows us to obtain a part from a support. As you can see, we are going to cut. For that, there are various possible processes. The first one is a shearing, where we remove material to cut out a shape. The second technique is thermal, using laser projection, for example, to extract the material. The third technique is a water jet, which also helps remove material to obtain a shape. This shape corresponds to the defined expectation. Now you know what the industrial process of cutting involves. It is time to adopt its uses. The simplest choice is to start with simple parts. For example, here, a sheet metal that has been cut. Then you can move on to slightly more complex parts that can be found in the automotive industry, for example, such as a cut sheet that has also been folded. Finally, you can make equipment that is a little more complex, such as this casing for an instrument in the medical field. Cutting is an extremely efficient industrial process. It's fast, it's economical, and it allows you to create very diverse shapes in multiple materials. It is also precise, and to prove that, we check this part which fits exactly with the specifications expected.